17 साल का बालक लमीन यमाल is dating a 30-year-old की आंटी influencer Fati Vasquez. What the hell? The 30-year-old woman who is spending a vacation with Lamine Yamal has posted on her IG. It is sad to see how many people carry so much darkness inside that. What does this project say more about them than it does about me? So तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट करना कि ये आंटी creepy है, ये weirdo है, या ये nonce behavior है, कि ये just odd, straight up odd behavior है to date a 70-year-old. You are projecting darkness inside of you onto somebody else. For you to call out somebody being creepy, weirdo or nonce, तुम्हारी गलती है, तुम्हारे दिमाग में darkness है. Okay? To those who wish me harm, I wish healing because no one who is truly well with themselves want to destroy another. भाई imagine करो. एक ना तुमको कॉन्टेक्स्ट में मैं दिखाता हूँ. लियोनार्डो डिकैप्रियो भाई तुमको पता ही होगा. तो उसका ट्विटर में एक मीम जाता है. 3 things are certain in life. Death, taxes, of course. Leonardo DiCaprio breaking up with his before her prefrontal cortex has fully developed. So मतलब 25 साल से पहले. That's a very famous meme on Twitter भाई. People clown him constantly. अब तुम DiCaprio के लिए ये कर रही हो for him to date somebody 25 and younger, जैसे legal, good, decent age. उसके लिए उसको ऐसे करते हो. And Imagine Leonardo DiCaprio coming out with a statement like this. I can't imagine that. मैं वो पैरेलल ड्रॉ भी नहीं करूंगा. Because if a 30-year-old guy is dating a 17-year-old, भाई उसको जेल में क्या, उसको तो काट के मार के जला ही देंगे ना भाई. That's creepy भाई. मैं वो नहीं कह रहा कि नहीं कि that's creepy, that's weird, that's what the hell, that's disgusting. Apparently स्पेन में एज ऑफ कंसेंट 17 है. तो लमीन अपने पर्सनल में क्या कर रहा है, लमीन की फैमिली क्या कर रही है, none of my business भाई. हमारा मतलब कहना उसमें कुछ नहीं है. But is it not creepy for the person who's 30 years old to do this to some? The lines are blurry भाई. The standards are not the same. They never are. There's the same woman Lamine Yamal is on vacation with. It is what she does. Digging gold and the young, and of course, you know, the cycle continues भाई. कोई famous person किसी को date कर रहा है, तो ये तो हमेशा आता ही आता है. कोई ex पुरानी फोटोएं, and ये whatever. मैं क्या ही बोलूँ इस पार्ट पे. Lamine Yamal. Casual racism, I guess, इसको अवॉइड करते हैं. Lamine Yamal commented on picture from 28 अगस्त 2020 when he was 13 years old. The young man has been scouting her. The standards are never the same, bhai. The standards are never the same. Wow. And comment किया, are we sure this fella is even 17? Okay. 30-year-old has disabled her comments on IG after criticism. Since she's on vacation with 17-year-old, भाई, okay, you know what भाई, comments disable कर दिए. Good for her भाई, क्योंकि she could have been in jail. She could have been in court of law testifying that she's not creepy, she's not weirdo, she's not criminal. The most justice she gets is disabling her Instagram comments. लमीन अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में क्या कर रहा है, लमीन किसको जो डेट कर रहा है या जो मर्जी कर रहा है या कोई भी कर रहा है, none of my business. I would say it like that भाई. But this is just creepy, weirdo, just nonce behavior. I don't. पता हूँ मैं क्या कैसे बोलूँ भाई, पता हूँ मैं क्या कैसे बोलूँ. I can just tell you this भाई, the standards are never same. The lines are always blurry. Just creepy, weirdo, insane, bhai, insane. This is disgusting. This is morally disgusting, bhai. We live in a modern society. 30-year-old guy dating a 17-year-old girl. Bhai, वो तो to a famous young influential person, मतलब कि जो person can be easily influenced, bhai. For that to happen to a young guy like Lamine is crazy. Yeah, bhai, GG's. I don't even know what to say, bhai. I don't even know what to say. Yeah. Yeah. But again, by the creepy auntie weirdo, disgusting, disgusting, by. And most countries में ना illegal. GG's.